There we go. All right. Winter's here. The guy that does the service on our furnace was just here, and he dropped off this old Craftsman. These are good old mowers. It's Tecumseh, and 2 or 3 years ago I put a new throttle assembly and governor rods on this one. Now he's bought himself a new mower. Things must be looking up, hey? And I just want to see if it starts. I know it was outside overnight, but just let me get my act together and we'll see if we can get this guy started. Yes, there's furnace noise. It's winter, man. You can see the snow on this guy and the grass is frozen on. After a couple of hours in here, he should be thawed out enough. But I want to look at the gas first because he hasn't used it for a couple of years. And I think it's burnable. Not bad. This is also a dirty container too, eh? So like I said before, furnace guys are pretty good to get stuff from because some furnaces even have spark plugs in them now, eh? The old ones just had burners and thermocouples, but the new ones ignite fuel and there's no pilot light. So now we're going to put the lid on here. We're going to make sure it's got fuel, or gas, oil I mean. Duh. Yeah, there's a little bit of oil there. Enough for our purposes. So what I'm going to do is take some super juice. I used to mix this 10 to 1 with 10 to 1 with 2-stroke oil. Now I just use 2-stroke. Tilt, squirt. Now it might smoke a bit because it's been sitting. Plus I just injected it with 2-stroke fluid. Oh, are we on a bunny rabbit? Yeah, it's got a turtle and a bunny rabbit. Hey, it's gonna go. Or not. We'll give it a lot of pumps. This one pumps air. You can go fast. Nope. Okay, we're gonna have to squirt it with some more go juice. I hope it catches. Come on, Ringer. There we go. It might not go, you know. Wouldn't that be a rotten shame? One more try. Urgh. I thought I was gonna go. Take 3. Although I just brought it in from outside, as you can tell. Too fun. Getting looser. Flooded. think it started pretty good considering it came in from outside in the winter. Here. Okay. So now I'm going to suck the gas out of here if I can. Oh, it's so low. It's not. That's what's happening. Got it. Okay, let's suck what's left out of there. Okay, that makes sense. She said, I didn't get very much, eh? That doesn't bother me. There's nothing in there. I'm just gonna run it out. Oh man, there's grass in here. And the compost guys came for the last time today too. Okay, last steps. I didn't realize the fuel was as low as it was. That's probably why it was hard to start. See, the rag came out dry. So now, I'm just going to let this run out of gas. And I might as well put the air filter back on too. Because I'm going to blow the feathers off of it so that it can get some more feathers on it. And there we go. Should start. Okay, it's out of fuel. Right there, stacking the wood. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it melt off, blow the crap off it, and we'll just put it out on storage under a tarp. I got really good coverings for these. Thanks.